Welcome to the chapter, Confusion of Verbs, come, go, bring, and take. These words may sound similar, but they show different directions of movement. Come means to move toward where the speaker is. For example, please come here. Go means to move away from where the speaker is. Like, I will go to school. Now bring and take are about carrying things. Bring means to carry something to the speaker or a place. Bring your book to class. Take means to carry something away from the speaker. Take this gift to grandma. Let's look at them more closely. Let's look at come and go. We use come when someone is moving toward us. Like, come here quickly. We use go when someone is moving away from us. Like, go to the market now. Be careful, sometimes people say, I will come to your house. That's wrong if you are not at the house. You should say, I will go to your house. Because you are going away from where you are now. Now, let's talk about bring and take. Bring means to carry something to a place or person, usually toward the speaker. For example, bring your homework to class. Take means to carry something away, to another place. For example, take this pen to your brother. Some people say, take your books to school. That's not always correct. If you are going toward school, the correct sentence is, bring your books to school. Let's recap the verbs. Use come when someone is moving toward you. Use go when someone is moving away. Use bring to carry something to you. Use take to carry something away from you. Now, let's fill in the blanks. 1. Please hear. Answer, come. 2. I will, to the playground. Answer, go. 3. Your bag to school. Answer, bring. 4. This parcel to the post office. Answer, take. That's it. You now know when to use come, go, bring, and take. Prepared by K. Rajendra Prasad.